Being a hobby sawyer is not just about cutting boards. It's about getting your lumber without spending a bunch of money. I was able to build an accurate sawmill for less than $300. I used as much as I already had to get the job done. You either need to bring the logs to the mill or take the mill to the logs. A log that will be large enough to make boards will probably be too heavy to lift. Stay open to new ways of getting the job done. There will be no waste. The mill slabs and all the extra lumber will become heat for my home, and the sawdust will become compost or mulch for the garden. The rewards of releasing the tree's life work. At the same time, we are taking something that no one wants and making it into something beautiful. The pleasure of passing the lumberyard knowing that I make my own lumber.